So if you're trying to withdraw funds from Finelo, as you may know, it's actually a trading platform, but it's actually a virtual trading platform. So the direct answer is that you cannot withdraw money from Finelo because it's not a real trading platform. It's a virtual trading platform. It's mainly like the app plus a trading simulator. So it's not actually a broker. So the money you see in the app, even including the $1,000 that's it's being provided, they are actually virtual. So it's just a fake money for practice only. So if you even if you make profits, so when you practice it, when you make profits, they are not real and they cannot be cashed out. So in simple terms, you are just practicing trading and you're not actually investing. So you're not actually investing for it to withdraw it later. So you are just practicing. So if you are trying to get your money back, or if you for some reason if you don't want to like continue with Finalo anymore, then you can try to like cancel your subscription. You can just if you have paid for the subscription, you can just go to your account settings on your app, and then click on like you can go click on subscription and just cancel it. Or you can also cancel it via the Google Play or Play Store. If you are using the app, you can just go to your subscriptions and then cancel it. So this is the way how you can cancel it if you want to like if you want to get back your money, or if you don't want to use Finalo. But other than that, you can't withdraw any money from Finalo because that's a virtual trading platform. It doesn't deal with real money.